There, it will be great honor if you can visit our stall and we can make sure that you go satisfied.
Doing this part. So this is the one part. Second part, we are focusing on sustainability report. You might be aware, ESG, environmental, social and governance. These will be the order of the day. The funding to the corporates by RBI, World Bank and ADB will depend on how much carbon emission you are generating in your industry. The more carbon emission, the less credit. The less carbon emission, these are the standard mechanism now they are operating. So now non-financial reporting in addition to financial reporting will be order of the day. So that's why we are having this kind of conferences to educate them, train them, so that they should also learn non-financial parameter, so that the audit report can be a complete integrated report in both the parameter, so that the justification of the survival of the industry can be achieved.
Sure.
The suggestion of the Prime Minister in a very positive way. We have 4 lakh C. Out of that, 1.5 lakh C are in practice. 1.5 lakh C are comprised of 96,000 firms. 96,000 firms comprised of 75,000 proprietorship firms. Only one proprietor. 21,000 firms had partnership. 2 partners, 200 partners. Now we want that how these partnership firm and the proprietor can come together, merge themselves and can become bigger. So that if the firm size is bigger, they can cater the larger population. So that is the vision of the government, how out of these number, 4 or 5 firms can become global. So that's why we have now taken 4 or 5 initiative. Number 1, we have made a committee called Aggregation of CA Firm. This committee is working how to engage and aggregate the firm so that they can become. We have now changed the merger guideline. Merger guideline says if you have merged together and if you want to demerge because you have not liked the terms condition later on, so you can demerge within 5 years just to get your original name. So many people, it was a 5-year restriction, they were hesitant to merge. So what we have done, now 5 years we have made 10 years. So within 10 years also you will get your original name. So merge, come together and work together. Second step we have taken a LLP. LLP is a partnership firm. Now in LLP, individual can become the partner. We have said another LLP can also become partner of this LLP. So both the firm can come together and work together by retaining their individual identity. So these are the steps we have taken. Now we have a networking guideline. We are also in the process to have a international networking guideline. We are making our chartered accountant best practice as a global benchmarking. So that's why artificial intelligence we are working very in a large way. Lots of the tools we have given to our member as per the artificial intelligence is concerned. More so the disciplinary, those firms are not working as per the requirement. We are very forthcoming in taking action on these firms also. So these are some of the steps we are taking, but yes, more is required to be done and we are working in that direction.
So any time
One day, we can make the policy, we can have the facilities. The firm has to come together, we have to motivate them, work together so that the best firm can come on the global footprint. So for that, like I'm giving you one example, there are 182 accounting bodies in the world. Most of the accounting body has an aging population. Now they are not finding accountant. We are saying 8 accounting body we have done MRA, mutual recognition agreement. Our member by passing some of the exam of that country become their member, and their member by passing our exam can become our member. Now I am telling you, more than 700 Indian become the member of those accounting by passing their exam. But from those countries, only 3 could pass our exam. So such a comprehensive, robust syllabus, they could not clear our exam. So our members are not only working in India, they are working outside India in a very handsome way. So that's the way global footprint we are having, but more is required. Organize किया गया है this palace एंड 2 दिन के इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को होस्ट कर रहे बेंगलुरु ब्रांच और ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया साउदर्न इंडिया रीजनल काउंसिल ने। और इस 2 दिन में आज 3,200 से ज़्यादा डेलीगेट रजिस्टर्ड किए हैं। और आज 2 दिनों में हमने हमारे मेंबरों के लिए कैपिटल मार्केट, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स, सस्टेनेबिलिटी रिपोर्टिंग, फॉरेंसिक अकाउंटिंग, GST, इनकम टैक्स, सारे सब्जेक्ट पर चर्चा होगी 2 दिनों में। और हम हमारे मेंबरों को एजुकेट करते रहते हैं। आज पूरे भारत में 7,500 सेमिनार बाय जनरेटिंग 36 लाख CP आवर हम हर साल करते हैं। ये हमारा एक सबसे बड़ा मुहिम है जो हाउ टू मेक आवर मेंबर्स रेलिवेंट विद द फास्ट चेंजिंग थिंग्स विच आर कमिंग एवरी डे। तो उसी सिलसिले में ये 2 दिन का प्रोग्राम आज आयोजित किया गया है, जिसमें 3,500 ये 3,200 जो मेंबर हैं वो 2 दिन सुनेंगे, एक्सपर्ट को सुनेंगे, अपना विजन शेयर करेंगे, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे, ताकि उनकी स्किलिंग और अपस्किलिंग कंटिन्यूअस होती रहे। और इसीलिए हमारा फोकस है कि हमारे जो 4 लाख मेंबर हैं वो कंटिन्यूअसली एजुकेशन के माध्यम से फिनेंशियल, नॉन फिनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, सस्टेनेबिलिटी, फॉरेंसिक अकाउंटिंग, इनकम टैक्स, GST, रेरा, ऑल द इंसॉल्वेंसी, बैंक्रप्सी कोड, इस सारे विषयों पर कैसे नए नए निटी-गिटी को समझें, अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को ठीक करें, ताकि देश के विकास में वो योगदान दे सकें।